All right, I'll be back. I'm gonna go talk to the dog pound right quick. All right.
Okay.
All right. Yo, dog pound, what's cracking? Hey, so man, it's Christmas morning. Merry Christmas, everybody. Hey, dog pound. All right. So look, I just wanted to get on here and talk to you guys for a minute and just say, hey, one, Merry Christmas. It is Christmas Day. So Merry Christmas to you guys. Hopefully you all are having a fantastic time with your loved ones and having a fantastic, happy holiday season. I know this year has been a little trying for a lot of people, but hey, 2021 is right around the corner. And so, hey, let's get it started off with a giveaway. That's right. I've teamed up with my guys over at Louisiana Grills, and we're going to be doing a giveaway. So what this giveaway is going to be is it's going to be an accessory bundle pack. Now all of the details is going to be with this giveaway is going to be down in the description box. So you want to make sure that you get down there in that description box, you read what the what all this this giveaway entails, and make sure you follow the rules so that you can get entered properly. But I'm gonna touch on that right quick. What you guys have to do to get entered in this giveaway is you've got to go down there and comment below. You've got to comment with hashtag Team LG, and you've got to tell me where you shared this video to on your social media. That's right, guys. You have to do both steps to be officially entered into this giveaway. So again, make sure you get down there into the description box where the official rules are going to be posted so that you can make sure you get a legitimate entry, because I don't want to have to draw your name and you didn't put Team LG or you didn't share it and then I have to give it to somebody else. That would suck. So make sure you follow those rules down there in the description box, guys. So how is the winner going to be decided? Well, it's going to be done with a random drawing system, guys, and it's going to be based off the comments that you leave below, which is why I said before it's very important that you guys leave a comment of hashtag Team LG and where you shared this video to on your social media. So what's going to happen is I am going to use a random drawing system, and I'm going to do it on New Year's Day. That's right, a week from today, New Year's Day, I'm going to go ahead and run that drawing system, and we're going to select a winner. Okay, now that winner is going to be tagged below. Your comment will be pinned at the top of the comment section, and I'll notify you that way that you are the winner. So definitely you want to make sure you check back 7 days from today, New Year's Day, to see if your name was drawn. In addition to pinning the winning comment at the top of the comment section, I'm also going to do a post on my community tab. So make sure you go to the home page of my channel and click on the community tab there at the top, and you'll be able to see who actually won this drawing. Now, here's the important part, guys. If you are selected, you have 48 hours. That's right, 2 days, 48 hours to get back to me to, let me know that hey, you got it. You understand that you're the winner, and that way I can collect some information from you, and we can get this package sent out to you. Now, understand, guys, again, down in the official rules, I'm gonna, state this again, or I'm gonna state this so you guys understand it. This is gonna be for the United States residents only. Okay, so if you live in Germany or Canada or somewhere else, I appreciate you guys totally 100%, but this drawing is going to be for USA residents only. Sorry about that, guys, but hey, that's just the way this particular giveaway is going to be ran. But hey, everything is down in the description box, guys. Make sure you go down there and check it out. And again, make sure you subscribe to the Dawgfatha's Barbecue YouTube channel, as well as Louisiana Grills YouTube channel. And make sure you get entered properly, because I want you guys to win. All right? So, hey, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'm looking forward to giving away this bundle pack to somebody out there. Hopefully it's you. All right? See you in the next video.